This is a common condition that can affect many plants, and the cause is not always the same. Leaf reddening can occur when plants experience nutritional problems, environmental stress, or natural aging. One of the most noticeable signs is a change in leaf color. In many cases, reddening begins along the edges of the leaves and gradually spreads across the leaf blade. Depending on the underlying cause, plants may also show wilting, reddish stems or petioles, poor fruit development, premature leaf and fruit drop, and reduced growth. However, not every case of leaf reddening indicates a serious problem. As plants naturally mature and age, their leaves may change color. When this occurs late in the growing season and is evenly distributed across the field, it is often part of the normal aging process and may have little effect on yield. When reddening appears early in the growing season, however, it may be associated with nutritional deficiencies, particularly insufficient nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium. Environmental stress can also cause discoloration. Excessive sunlight, unusually cold temperatures, strong winds, and irregular water availability may trigger reddening, especially on individual plants or leaves rather than throughout an entire field. The color change is associated with an increase in red pigments called anthocyanins and a reduction in green chlorophyll within the leaves. Root damage can contribute as well. When fine roots die or become weakened, the plant may have difficulty absorbing enough water and nutrients from the soil, which can lead to discoloration and poor growth. Plant variety also matters. Some varieties and hybrids are naturally more sensitive to environmental stress than others. If reddening appears early in the season, improving soil fertility may help. Apply organic matter or suitable fertilizers according to the plant's nutritional requirements rather than adding nutrients without first identifying a deficiency. Maintaining an appropriate irrigation schedule is also important. Avoid both prolonged drought and excessive soil moisture, since either condition can interfere with root function. If the discoloration appears late in the growing season as part of normal plant aging, biological or chemical treatments are generally unnecessary. There is no single chemical treatment for leaf reddening itself because the condition is a symptom rather than one specific disease. For prevention, plant at the appropriate time for your local climate and avoid conditions that expose crops to excessive soil temperatures or other environmental stress. Maintain suitable spacing between plants to support healthy growth and airflow. Choose varieties with good tolerance to environmental stresses when suitable options are available. Regularly monitor soil fertility and maintain a balanced nutrient program based on crop requirements. Avoid excessive fertilization, which can create additional problems. Protect plants from physical damage caused by strong winds and other environmental factors whenever practical. Manage irrigation according to the crop's water requirements, paying particular attention during periods of heat, cold, or drought. After harvest, appropriate soil preparation can help improve soil structure and distribute organic residues more evenly. The key symptoms to remember are reddening that may begin along leaf margins and spread across the leaf, reddish stems or petioles, wilting, reduced growth, and premature leaf or fruit drop. Remember that the cause can range from nutrient deficiency and root stress to harsh weather or natural aging. Identifying the timing and pattern of the symptoms is an important first step in determining the right response. Subscribe for more practical tips on plant health and care.